welcome back to my channel all about decoupage. Hi, I am Veronica and today we're gonna do a cute Santa Christmas ornament made with napkin. For this project I chose Styrofoam ball, and after sanding a little bit of imperfections I painted it twice with white paint, let it dry between each layer. So I chose this cute Santa napkin and I use decoupage glue for it, but of course you can use Mod Podge. Napkin has usually 3 layers. We only need the first one with the Santa on, and I am using water pen to cut off the image of the Santa itself. Of course, if you don't have a water pen, you can just use a small brush and little amount of water as well. I am then tearing up the napkin in few places so it can be laid down better on the ornament itself. I am then applying a little bit of decoupage glue on the ornament itself just because I just don't want my napkin to move a lot on me, so I am just applying a little bit of decoupage glue. Then I am trying to put the Santa well centered on the ornament itself, and then slowly I am gluing it with glue onto the ornament, trying to avoid wrinkles. Then I saw a wrinkle forming, so I just cut out the napkin a little bit more inside to the center of the napkin. Here there would be an overlap of the 2 napkins, so I am cutting out a little amount of the napkin so it won't leave any wrinkle there. Then again I see a little bit of wrinkle forming, so again I'm taking my scissors and cutting inside the napkin carefully so I will be avoiding the wrinkle at the end. Same way then I apply the other napkin on the other side of the ornament. I let it dry after. Here are the paints I used. I also repainted around the Santa itself because I don't have such shade of colors, so I am just painting everything around the Santa himself. After it was dry, I am applying a little bit of dots with white paint and water. And then I am applying Decoupage glitter glue. Of course, you don't have to use it if you don't have one. If you have one, make sure you just don't leave any excess, because that will dry out white, not clear. The next step I forgot to video. I used pouring glaze. For it, I used 4 layers on it. After the glaze was dry, I used some snow paste, some 3D pen as well for a little bit of excess on the Santa himself, and I also applied the snow on the bottom of the ornament, and as the snow was still wet, I applied a little bit of glitter on it. All material I use will be put in the description below. If I cannot find the exact product, I will be posting something similar to it. On the Santa head, I am applying 3D red pen from Pentart, a little bit of excess around his coat as well. Let it all dry. Then on top of the ornament, I am pushing the cap onto it, and then it's time to make a bow with my Pro Bow, the hand. This Santa ornament and many more of ornaments are also available in my Etsy shop. If you don't want to make it, if you just want to buy it, come and check out my store for those ornaments. Of course, my bow needs a jingle bell, so I am gluing the jingle bell with hot glue on the Santa ornament. I glued one large jingle bell on the front of the ornament and one small on the back of the ornament as well. And here it is all finished, a cute Santa round ornament with napkin. If you like this tutorial, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and tell me if you like to decorate with Santas over the Christmas. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay tuned for more tutorials. Bye!